or no? You tell me. All right, that's it. Like this video if Chase is blind. I mean, I feel like it should be a little bit more quick. Hint, it has something to do with the cactus. Chase, you have 30 seconds. Otherwise, you know
30
what?
seconds? How are there 3 places in here? No.
You see what I'm about to do?
No, don't.
You know what's about to happen. Chase, all I'm saying.
Come here, don't.
All I'm saying, buddy.
That's my dog's name.
You better find this freaking secret base or this guy's about to literally experience
Stop it.
gravity.
You know I love my boy. No,
Chase.
River, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, River.
You're literally in between 2 of them.
Listen, Preston, hear me out. Wait. That's not a real cactus.
Tell me you found it. Yes.
I found it.
Oh my gosh.
Is River okay?